Pros Note: the professional video training for softwares. Acrobiz. Check Pulse. Acrohost. For more videos, visit our website www.sprosnote.com.
Design template. You can redesign your invoice, quotation, delivery note, whatever printouts you can customize yourself. You can edit logos and contents, everything, whatever you need, everything on the paper says, page says, printer says, whatever you need, everything you can customize as per your demand. I'll show the procedure. For example, I'm editing one invoice. For example, here transaction and sales billing. I'm going to billing one voucher. Just previous voucher I am accessing. Just this one I am going to load. I am making for the reprint. Just I want to. So this is one design, one printout design. Here is lots of printing templates. For example, this is one design. And another one design will be here. There is lots of template that is by default template, but you can customize as per your demand. For example, I want to design for this one. This template I want to customize. I want to change the number and address details, and this tax invoice I want to move it here in the middle, and I want to add another one column as a description. Item code column, like that, whatever need, everything will be possible. So you can click here settings and redesign template. Click it here, redesign template. So the designing window will be appear. This is very easy, same like Microsoft Word, all features available here. You know, here will be your bold, italic, underline, font size and middle alignments, and you can insert columns, chart, whatever you need. And there is another view option also. For example, first I need to change my contact number. For example, this one I want to change, and email also I want to change. And address, if required, you can change it. And the terms and condition, it will take from the software directly. On the sales, you can set what is the terms and condition for the invoice, what is the terms and condition for the quotations, like that. So I don't want terms and condition, I want just only terms, that's enough. Like that, whatever need, you can customize it. And this one, this tax invoice, I want to come to the middle here. In this portion, I want to be the tax invoice. For example, just I am doing one example only. As per your demand, you can add it. And the tax registration number, because that is, you know, sometimes I cannot able to select this tax registration number because the background is already selected. On the condition, it's difficult. So on the condition, you can just click outside. After that, again click it here and drag it here. And this one white color, I want to make it black color font. So done it. So tax invoice also I want to be on the correct position. So already I add tax. This one also I want red color or black color. It will be red. I want to reduce little bit font size. It will be okay. Reduce the font size. And I want to add another one column here for item code. There is description only. I want to add item code also. So I can click it here, insert, right. Sorry. So it will be inserted here directly in the last. There is one description column here. So first I want to remove the description column. Delete rows. Description I removed. After that, I add one column on the right side, and I can click it here. Lots of for unit, tax, lots of things here. So I want to add item code. Here will be the item code. So I just mention for the code is item code, and I don't want this much. It will be okay, and total side also this much will be okay. And here I can reduce the space here. And I can adjust little bit space here because it should be on the A4 size. Okay. Now most important things, there is 3 sections on the invoice designing. There is 3 sections. One is header. This portion called header portion. Header portion, this one. Whatever you put it here, everything will display on the header section. And this will be your content section. In here you can table and your contents you can add it. And here will be your footer section. Like that, 3 sections. And you can set your paper size also, your page size, what size of page. So I'm going to select here. On the outside, right click and report properties. You can select here page width and margins, everything you can set here. Landscape, portrait, what type of page you are using. You can manually also, you can width and height, everything will be here. And now this everything will be ready. And additional thing also, because some information some data is not required here, you want to add another something data. For example, here data sets. You will see lots of sets here. Tax summary, extra accounts, projects. For example, on the table window, on the footer section, I want to add employee name also, which employee making for the sales or which user making for the invoice. Like that, I want to add addition. I want to add which employee. For example, I can just, I want to drag it here. So I'm going to drag and drop here. Just I'm adding salesman, for example. This is just example only. Like this, lots of field here. Whatever field required, you can easily drag it. And before saving, you have to, main and important thing, here, the blank space here. Don't keep any blank space here, just keep it nearby. Because if you are keeping here blank space, whenever you are printing, automatically it will print as a 2-page automatically. Because your page size will be, page width will be increased. So on the condition, just correctly align it before saving, everything will be corrected. And you can click save here. So it's saved, and now I can close this one. Already close, and just click it OK. It will not display directly here. You want to shift another one template and come back to this template. You can shift it here, 8. So 8 will be display, and I will come 7 again, sharp 7. Tax invoice will be here, number will be changed, and salesman Joseph. So whatever, now you can print out. Otherwise, there is option show toolbar. You can make it, I will make it little bit zoom here. And I can Excel, PDF, Word, exporting feature, everything will be here. Thank you.
Pros Note: the professional video training for softwares. Acrobiz. Check Pulse. Acro Host. For more videos, visit our website www.sprosnote.com.